Hi, and welcome to our refreshed website. I'm just going to give you a quick little tour to show you some of the awesome features that are here for you. Here on our homepage, you can see there's a book an appointment. So if you want to book a chiropractic adjustment, you can do that. If you want to book a nutrition appointment, you can do that there as well. If you want to order supplements, you can see up here in the top left, you can click on ordering supplements. So let's just do that super quick here. As you can see, there is a password required. Please contact our office for that. Once the password is entered, you can choose from the option to pick up at our office, or we can ship directly to you. So let's go back to our homepage and let's take a look at this couple of options here. There's another book an appointment button to make it convenient. And there is a free wellness quiz that you can take. So let's go there super quick. There's actually 3 different quizzes that we have if you're curious to see what's going on inside you. If you're having trouble with your digestion, take this quiz. You can take our thyroid challenge. And if you are experiencing menopause, this is a great quiz for you to take. Let's go back to the home page. And you'll see this little slide pop up that comes out. This is a good time to mention that you, a friend or family member, can always talk to Dr. LeMay for free. If you just have a quick question, or if you have a friend or family member that's not sure if Dr. LeMay can help you, this is a great option to just consult with him free for 15 minutes. It could be in the office or it could be over the phone, since we do see patients across the U.S. You would simply just click on that and you'd be able to schedule that yourself, or you can just call us and schedule that free 15-minute consultation appointment. So for now, I'm going to say goodbye to that pop-up. So this way we can look and see the rest of our homepage. I'll pause here for a moment and ask you, do you know someone who still feels crappy even though you've been told you're normal? Do you know of anyone, yourself or somebody else, that can relate to any of these symptoms? Well, if so, tell them to click this button and book an appointment so we can help. There's Dr. LeMay. You can read about how he knows what it's like to not be listened to by doctors here. And we'll just quickly scroll down. You can read some of our new testimonials there. Let's get to the good part, the food. You might not know this, but about every Monday, 2 new recipes get posted here on our website. And this is the place where you can find the most recent ones. You can see these 2 that look really yummy were posted here, and then the week before these 2 were posted. If you want to explore more of the recipes, well, here you go. Let's click this button and it will take you to the most recent ones. And if you scroll down, you could see those top recipes here. I don't know about you, but these are certainly making me hungry. And if you want to do some specific searches, if you're looking for paleo, I'm looking for a main dish or lunches or side dishes, maybe breakfast or chicken or something with lemon sounds really good. Looking for keto recipes, ice cream. Okay, well, we won't go there right now, but you can see there are a lot of great healthy recipes for you to choose from, and this is a great place to find them. And remember, 2 new ones every Monday get posted, so come back here often to find those new recipes. Well, there you have it. I'm going to hit the little elevator that goes up. You can always check these other tabs for other great information. And back to the home. And there you go. Well, I hope that gets you curious on looking for healthy information that we want to provide to you and your family and friends so that you can live a long, healthy, active, independent, productive, and fun life. Thanks for watching.